Those cough receptors then send a message up to your brain, which sends a signal back to the muscles of your chest wall and abdomen to rapidly and forcefully take a deep breath in and out to remove the trigger. Coughing can propel air and particles out of your lungs and throat at speeds close to 50 miles per hour, and this whole process is almost instantaneous and very effective. An occasional cough is a normal, healthy function of your body, but a persistent cough, one that doesn't go away, is not normal. Any cough that lasts for more than 8 weeks should be discussed with your doctor. And regardless of how long you've had the cough, if it concerns you, it should be brought to your doctor's attention. Learn more about how your lungs function at lung.org.